Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add debit card to Coinbase. So in order to do this, first of all, open your Coinbase application. After you open up the application, you will see this interface. Here, you are going to click on the 9-dotted icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, when you click on this icon, it will take you up to this page. Now, on this page, you'll have to click on the Profiles and Settings option at the bottom left of the profile icon that you see. Now this will instantly take you to this page where you'll have your payment methods available. Now on this page, click on the Add Payment Method button. When you click on this button, it will show you this page. So here you can add your bank account, debit card, PayPal, direct deposit, wire transfers and gift cards. So make sure if you want to add debit card, you click on the second option that says debit card. You can invest small amounts and use debit cards to buy crypto. So click on debit card and it will take you up to this page. Now, after you see this page, where you'll see link your card text appearing at the top, you'll have to just enter your name on the card, then enter the card number, the expiration date, the CVC and your postal code. So enter the information that is related to your card and click on the add card button. Now, this will instantly link your debit card to your Coinbase app. And if any verifications are needed, you'll have to just put in the OTP received on your mobile phone and that will instantly add your debit card to the Coinbase app. So that is a simple way you can add debit card to Coinbase. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.